Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about taking input from the user in C++. So we're going to go ahead and create a new file. We're going to call it takinginput.cpp, and we're going to discuss taking input. So taking input is very similar to displaying output. The syntax is very similar. So when our programs become more advanced, we need to start taking input from the user. So this is a very important concept. So the syntax or the format for taking input from the user is std followed by 2 colons, and when we displayed to the terminal we had cout, but when we take input we have cin, and when we displayed output we had 2 less than signs, but when we take input we're going to have 2 greater than signs. Then after this we're going to have a certain variable which is going to store the user's input. So now let's look at it in code. So first we're going to put in our template code, which is #include iostream. Then we're going to write our main function, and inside here we're going to take input from the user. So our program is going to ask the user for their age and it's going to display it out. So first we're going to have an integer variable called age, which is going to store the user's input. So we don't have to initialize it now because we're going to put in a value in it after we take the input. So after that we're going to have a cout statement which is going to prompt the user to enter their age. So we're going to say enter your age. This is going to be the prompt. Then we're going to use the format we just saw, which is std : cin followed by 2 greater than signs. Here after we take their age we want to store it in the age variable, so we're going to put in age. And finally, after we've taken their input, we want to print it out. So we're going to have std cout followed by 2 less than signs, and we're going to say UR followed by age followed by years old, and a new line. So as we saw in the previous video, you can concatenate multiple things together, put them together using multiple less than signs. So once we've done that, we can save our file and we can go to the terminal and we can clear our terminal. Then we're going to compile our file using G++, and we're going to put in the name of our file. As you can see, it compiled with no errors, and to run it we're going to use /a. As you can see, it asked us to enter our age. We're going to put in 19 and it displays you are 19 years old. So this is the basics on taking input in C++. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.